Namaste. Welcome, ladies. It's Anita Tadavarthi, your acupuncturist friend, and I've designed a 30-day course just for you. Having treated in the US and also abroad in India running a free clinic, I've realized how invaluable it is for a woman to feel empowered by having a regular cycle. And with that comes the ability to have even more empowerment so that you understand your fertility period within your cycle. So this next 30 days together, I'm so excited that you're gonna join me on this journey, is dedicated to you and helping you to have that regular cycle. Of course, as with anything, get checked out by your physician, work with your doctor. These tips are simply tips that I've learned from my 20 years of clinical experience to help you, along with recommendations of your physician to help you on your fertility journey and as your wellness journey here on the planet as a woman. So with that, let's get started, and day one is complete.